Hi Kids Club! Today we're celebrating Earth Day by making Circles of the Earth bracelets. Earth Day this year is on April 22nd. There are many things you can do at school or in home to preserve the land, the air, the water, and even animals. Let's celebrate Earth Day and every other day by learning new ways to help keep our planet healthy. Now let's move on to our project. The first thing we have is our kit, and here is the instruction sheet and lesson that you can follow along with. And then you can't miss these beautiful flowers. These are petunias. We added those in so you could plant them after the project. And finally, we have our bracelet kit. Let's see how it goes. First thing, let's take everything out of the bag. We have a leather strap, and we have a white pipe cleaner with all of the beads that we'll be talking about today and what they represent. The first step has already been done for you. You can see that we've attached the black bead on the end and tied it tight so your beads will not fall off when you're making your bracelet. So then let's go through our beads and talk about what they represent. The first bead you can see here is this lovely light green. This bead represents people, including farmers. They act as guardians and stewards of all the circles of the earth. So the very first one is us, people. The next one is this lovely light blue. I bet you can guess what that one is. Yes, that is water. Water rains down on land. Water collects in oceans, rivers, lakes, and streams. It evaporates back up into the sky and collects in clouds. The clouds become heavy and rain falls down onto the land again. Next is purple. Ooh, I like this color. Purple represents plants, and gray is the soil that they grow in. They are also a circle. Plants grow from soil. Plants provide food for animals. Animals provide food for other animals. Animals die and decompose. New soil is made and new plants grow. So that's purple is plants and gray is soil. Next, I bet I know what this one is. Green is the earth. The earth is a circle. Earth is spinning through space, rotating on its axis, revolving around the sun. The earth and sun give us the circle of the seasons and the circle of night, which is the dark blue, and day. This one is air. Air is a circle. Animals breathe in oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide, use it to make food, and give off oxygen. Animals, which is the red, breathe it in, all again, and it starts over from scratch. And finally, the very last bead is this bright, pretty yellow, which is the sun. The sun provides warmth and light for all of the Earth's circles. Without the sun, plants and animals would not survive. The sun binds us all together. And with that, we've put all of our beads on our leather strap. So now for the next step, to make a full bracelet. Put the two ends together, undo the leather part where the black bead is, leave the black bead on there, and slip the second strap into there with the black bead, and then tie both ends off. So one knot on one side, boop, one knot on the other side, boop. What's cool is the black bead acts as an adjuster bead for you, so you can put your bracelet on, and then use the black bead to make it tighter or looser. Ta-da! There is our Circles of the Earth bracelet. Now let's go back through the colors. Green is people, blue is water, purple is plants, gray is soil, green is earth, dark blue is night, orange is day, white is air, red is animals, and finally yellow, the sun. You just finished the Circles of the Earth bracelet project and now have a great bracelet to help you remember how to be a good steward to our planet. You also have some flowers that you need to take outside and plant. They go in a sunny location, and don't forget to water them. Have a wonderful Earth Day, Kids Club. See ya!